Hi, my name is Chun Huai. Today I'd like to introduce you to a new tool we developed for GDR. Its name is MegaSearch. MegaSearch is a tool to help you download different types of data in bulk. It has predefined query forms and query builders to help you locate the data of your interests. Once you find the data you are interested in, you can further customize the output and choose only the fields you want to include in your download. MegaSearch is accessible from the GDR homepage on the navigation bar. Under Search, you can find the direct link, MegaSearch, at the bottom of the list. Currently, there are 7 data types you can download from MegaSearch. They are contact, gene transcript, germplasm, map, marker, publication, and QTL. To begin, select a data type to bring up the query form or query builder that is related to the data. The query builder is a dynamic form that allows you to build your own query by adding filters only when it is needed. It is available for the publication data type. Performing a search usually involves the following steps. First, you select a data type which brings up the query form on the left and downloadable fields on the right. On the query form, use related filters to limit the dataset that will be returned. Then you click on the Refresh Count button to see the number of results. For the downloadable fields, choose the data fields you wish to view or download. You can view the result on GDR or download to a FASTA file or a CSV file by clicking the corresponding button. This example shows that you can find resistance-related genes between 1000 and 2000 base pair on chromosome 1 of the strawberry genome version 1. And here's the search results showing on site. You can sort the results by clicking on the headers. Click once to sort in ascending order, or twice to sort in descending order. And here is the result in a CSV file, or a result in a FASTA file. Here's another example. Here we want to find all markers that are aligned to chromosome 1 of peach genome version 2. Therefore, in the genome location filter, we choose the peach genome and PP01 chromosome, but leave the start or stop position blank. In the result, we want to include the primers. And here is the result. Again, results are sortable if you click on the headers. In addition to the download, you can also link to the marker detail page, genome page, or JBrowse from the results, so you can look at the marker along with other tracks. In the future, we would like to add more features to the MegaSearch. We may add more functionality in the query forms if needed, or include more data types for download. We would also like to add web services to allow programmatic access. If you have any suggestions, such as feature request or bug report, please use the GDR contact form to contact us. Thank you for your time.